So GitHub wants you to know about basic repo navigation. What that means, I don't really know. So I'm taking my best guess to show you what that is. So within a GitHub repo, you will have a navigation bar with various features of your GitHub repo. And this is how you get to all the cool stuff. And the main one is code. This is where your code's going to live, such as files, folders, things like that. We have issues. That's for tracking problems. It's basically a ticket tracker. We have pull requests. That's where we're going to be when we're managing collaboration with other developers and they want to bring changes into a repo. It's our opportunity to check that work before it gets merged in. We have actions. That's for GitHub Actions. For projects, that's for GitHub Projects. For wikis, that's the wiki. Security is like a list or a checklist of things that you should do. I think it changes if you are looking at the context of as a user and you're not the owner of the repo. You're going to see maybe the security policy or different information. But if you are the owner, you're going to have a checklist of things you should do. And it basically mirrors kind of what's in the settings page under security. So it's kind of weird that they do that, but that's how they do it. Then we have insights. This provides statistics, mostly in the form of charts and graphs about the repo. Sometimes this information is public, sometimes it's private. Then you have settings. This is where you control all the settings for your repo. The other thing is that when you are using, at least in the code section, you can navigate around files. So I showed you this in a prior follow along. But the idea is you can search stuff, you can see the contents of file, you can comment on code per line. So there you go.